Welcome guys, my name is CryptoSteph. Currently my alerts are going on fire, I don't know why. Maybe some coins are pumping. Let's see, EOS, trend change, BCPT and some other coins. But first let's look at the charts and let's see what's currently in the crypto markets. As you can see, currently it's the 10th of February 2020 and my portfolio for today is on the red probably. Why? Because there are some coins that I'm currently holding and waiting for better pullback like XLM, BTC, but on the 7th day I'm profitable as $168. So XLM, my current view is that this is a bullish pennant and my target for this is 7,668. 7,068. Sorry about that. These alerts are annoying, and let's put some another music because this is shitty music. Okay, let's put this no copyright song. And let's see the market. Let's see who are the winners, who are the losers. Currently the losers are Cocos, BTC, Encash, Mana, STX, ICX. But ICX was a great coin last week. Currently ARC is trending. I saw this coin pumping. I don't know, maybe probably because some news, and currently it's retesting this region on, let's see on the weekly where it is. So this was great long opportunity if you bought it. Let's see that if there was, yeah, there was a bullish divergence and accumulation period for ARC. For this coin, your first target is probably the 0.5 or 0.618. So people ask me a lot how I did made so much money with $200 and then to this account. I made with trading shitcoins like this shitcoins ARC, and as you can see from the top to the bottom you have like from right now 50% gain. And if you follow my trading strategy with the fractals, so last time the fractals told you that if this high was taken, it was a buy opportunity, this high. So if you bought that, you're in profit 60%, and that's for crypto markets. And another coin that is pumping is some coin VPR BTC. VPR BTC also in some kind of accumulation phase, and currently it's doing it has cleared this high, which is also bullish. So let's see on the weekly. On the weekly we have a clear breakout of this level. So if you're buying this coin, your next target probably will be this this high 168. So if you bought this, if you want to buy it, you want to be a buyer here. So your target is the 168. and probably your stop loss is somewhere here. Not great risk to reward right now, but if you're waiting for this pullback, you want to buy it at 121, 109. Also, other coin that was requested in the last stream and was not pointed out was Ion. Yeah, Ion BTC. This, so probably some shitcoins are pumping like crazy and are making some money. So Ion BTC on the weekly. Let's see on the weekly. So as you can see, weekly you you have dropped like how much percentage? So from here 100%. So this is a clear shitcoin. Who buys this shitcoin? But you can make money from this shitcoin. So if you're fractal trader, you bought this, and currently if you're holding this as and searching for a higher low, here is your probable buy zone. This high probably, and this high, and your next target is probably here. That's for Ion. I don't think that this coin will survive. There was some kind of announcement of scam coins, and this was a scam coin because it was centralized. Let's see other coins. Let's see how many are of you. 2 people. So thank you for following me, and thank you for sharing this stream. We are currently on, let's see the BTC price. So Bitcoin, it's currently in a rising channel, and my target for this is 10,400. I don't know Bitcoin, but I want to buy at this level 9,600 and 9,500. And as you can see, this candle is bearish on the daily. If it closes, you have a short, and your target is probably there. But I'm not shorting this because if you want to short this, you need to see a clear broke of a fractal on the daily, and that's the 9,000 level. Even though that clearly this is a rising wedge, and there is a bearish divergence on the MFI. But I'm thinking that this is bullish, and overall I'm bullish on the crypto markets, and my probably next target will be 10,800, 10,000, this order block about BTC. Another coin that I traded was Ontology USD. So Ontology USD, as you can see on my trade history, I bought yesterday, and I have made profit like so many times from this coin. Like I bought here and I sold there, and I sold some here because I was trading XLM, and this XLM trade is not doing great, but my stop loss, I readjusted my stop loss. If this low is taken, like 697, I'm out of this trade. Also TRX is currently pumping. That's also in my trading history, and this is my TRX trade for you guys, 2075. I don't care about fundamentals. Currently this is on the daily a bullish spinning candle, bullish piercing candle, and if this closes like this, it's a great trade. So I will probably put this on this stop so I won't lose. Let's see where it is. Cancel all. I'll put an also order, and first target probably 230. Let's see my trading history. So first is 2290. Average price probably, let's calculate the price. So 218 plus 229 divided by 2, 223. So my average price is 223, and 223 is right there. My stop loss is probably 209, and let's put a also order. If you don't know, also orders are, let's put 2-3, and I'll half of my position will be right there. Sell, and my stop loss is 208. And the other 50% sell, and my other position is 275 for this coin. So if I fail, I will fail at one trade. I will not fail at. Why not confirm? Okay, so that's for TRX 275. Oh, doesn't matter. My weakest trade was bad BTC, so I put this trade Y. As you can see, I wanted to sell at 280, and you can see on my order history, and I wasn't filled and was screwed, and I bought it from here somewhere. Let's see, on 25860 somewhere here, yeah. So my next target for bet is 290. This holds. Other coins, Ethereum. If you follow me on Ethereum, I'm bullish and I want to buy Ethereum. As you can see, my target for Ethereum is 687. Probably it will be 2029. So my long-term hold for Ethereum is to buy at 211 and 193, and probably from right there. So let's see if this level is tested, and this level 193. So probably average price for this, calculate. Let's see if my $300 position 207 2 plus 37 equals to 404 divided by 2, so 202, and let's put here 202. My second target for this is the weekly close, or 0.5, so probably I'll put somewhere here. So my position for this is, let's calculate the position. As you may know, this changed my trading style. So I have $15 is my 1% of my portfolio. 15 divided by 0.085 gives me $176. So I wouldn't lose, and that 176 probably is $80. Let's borrow. Let's put 29 here. 2011.2 limit order. Fuck it, why not 1000? 0.2, 80, no, 80 bucks. And the other is 193.3, $80. And that's my position for Ethereum. So Ethereum BTC is another thing. ETC, ETH BTC. And as you can see, I had bullish bet formation or bullish. No, bullish. This is a bullish cipher formation, and for this your target is take from the A and B, and your target is this high of 0.29 and the level here 1618 pip retracement from here. So for this probably your buy zone is, let's see if I have 217. So I have buy zone, a buy order here, and my target is 251. And as you can see, this is the currently not tested level for Ethereum. So if you buy this, you have 60% gain for Ethereum. Another interesting coin today is BNB. BNB currently, let's see, no bullish divergence, probably hidden divergence, and also currently you're long for this, and if you're long, your target is here. So how much is that from here? 12%. So 12%, and currently it was tested. Let's see on the overtime. So yes, this level was tested, and probably you will have some here. So yes, you want to buy this. Let's see on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, some bearish divergence. Probably you want to buy this. So you have this is broken, you have this 4%, and probably so not great risk to reward trade for BNB BTC. BNB also was added on the Binance futures. So you have Binance futures, you have futures. That's where it was. Here is your futures. So people ask me what is the futures market. So futures market is like a derivatives market where you don't own the coin and you bet on the future on the existing asset like BTC. And yeah, if you want to trade, I will put a link below. You have 10% commissions if you trade it, and currently BTC is buy zone. So yeah, you have how many pairs? 12 pairs. You have Ethereum USD BCH. Many people want to hear my view on XRP, so let's put XRP USD. If you trade with leverage, don't use like 10 times this. Like you have how much leverage? 20 leverage, 15. So you don't use more than 10 or 12. 10 or 50 is my max for this trade. And currently I'm thinking that this is buy for XRP, and if you're trading patterns, there is no pattern here. So my buy zone is 2548, and if you can see, it's currently at sitting at this level, which is the which was the previous, which is the 200. Uh, this is modified EMA volume moving average price, which subtracts the which adds the volume on the moving average price. So I think it's better because it tracks more than other coins. So here was your buy signal. If you're trading the fractals, this was your buy signal. Probably buy this, and currently 40 to 30%. And let's put on long here. How much is that? 5%. And this is a good trade. So when you find this trades, you want to scan coins that are trending, so you go 24 hours in change, and you can see when you go on the losers, you can see that this is a coin that is currently in a buy zone. Yeah, nice. So this was, yeah, if you buy this currently on the weekly, it's a buy. So here is your Raven coin buy, and look at this. It pumped like crazy. But look at the volume. So good volume on Raven coin, and currently it's sitting below on the support. It was tested, and your probably next target, see, oh, 1 2 3, probably this is there is no clear indicator here, right, on Raven coin, but based on fractals, you want to see this high taken, and then use trend-based tool. So use from here, from there. This is a fifth wave. Want to see 1-to-1. Here's your long trade for Raven coin. So good risk to reward right now. But you want to see break of this high or break of the trend line. Some confirmation needed for this. And currently sitting on the 21 daily EMA or VMA volume moving average. So if this true, this is a good trade. So probably I will put on my alert on Raven coin BTC. It's shit. On Raven coin USD, it's more optimistic. Let's see, Neo. Neo currently great trade. So you want to buy this, you bought this, you're a hero. And Neo currently is, let's see, on the weekly. You always want to start on the, so Neo on the weekly, if this tested, so you want to see this high test, this range tested, and probably, as you can see, this was the current high with current weekly resistance. And let's see on the Fibonacci retracement, where is it? So yeah, so this is your currently target 50.2 high. this support and 0.618. So I'll put a long here, and my target will put a long from there, and 20%. How much? On the day where the fractal is. So here's your fractal. Put a long here, and where was the 50? So 50.2, and your stop loss there. So 7%. Let's put a calculator. 50 divided by 0.6064 gives me 196. So let's put a $200 trade, and my target is right there, and 20.957. 20. Let's put a 20.6 price. 200, and that's my Neo. This is a good trade if you ask me. So if you are long on Neo, this is a good trade. I put somewhere something like a cup and handle. So as you can see, this is a breakout cup and handle. This was the handle. So you're a pattern trader, here is your target for this cup and handle. So your target for this cup and handle is 17.3. So Neo is a long and a buy. Other coins that are buy: Ontology USD, PNB, Link BTC, TRX, Atom. Let's see Atom. This coin was so shilled, like I don't know how many times, and I'm seeing this as a probably a 3 drive and 1 to 7. So if this is a this is currently in a no trade zone, so you have a support, and as you can see, this was a weekly support. The weekly you have down, going down, and on the weekly, as you can see, you have a breakdown of this high. So currently retesting this high, and nothing special about. So probably you want to buy from. Your next probable zone is 3980 or 4000. So probably after that you want to see a FIB retracement. Always use your FIB retracement, and you want to, let's see if there is some kind of bet. Have some kind of bet pattern. Let's see. A, and currently 6. So you have a Gartley here. That's why it's pumping. So you have a Gartley and want to trade this, have your first target taken. But if you want to be bullish, you want to see a break of this high. 50-50, so 5050. That's your breakout, and your next target is 0.618. And probably after that you want to see 172. So on Atom I'm neutral, but overall on the crypto market I'm bullish. And let's see other coins. Any suggestions? No suggestions. If you have any suggestions, please ask. I will respond to your questions. let's see what is ARK doing. So I will put some money on trading spot because these shitcoins are pumping like crazy. So as you can see, BTC pairs are pumping like crazy. VPR, BTC 50%, ARK, BTC. So my strategy is not to buy the bottoms, because you don't know where the bottom is. You want to buy when there is a pullback, and this is your target for this shitcoin. 1618, 168, and look at this. So ARK, I don't know what happened to this coin ARK, but I'll buy it on BTC ETH pair, and I'll remove the ETH pair. So on the weekly you have retest of 344 on ARK, but look at this. So you have always you have like retest, and then a pump, and then look how how much a dump. You have how many percentage is this loss? 97%. Wow. So I know that ARK is doing some kind of bridges, but look at this, man. It lost like 97% in value. And right now, if it pumped like 50%, okay. So you want to trade when you see some kind of breakout, and let's see on the ETH pair. ETH pair, ARK. So I have Ethereum on some Ethereum which I bought on spot, and currently here is my buy for all of you. So here's my horizontal line. So 1255. Let's put a buy. 1255, 81 ARK, and my target will be right here. So how much is that? Long. One thing, if you want to know, if you want to be successful, you don't go lower than the 4-hour time frame, and you can make money just by trading shitcoins. This shitcoin is pumping like crazy, so that's for ARK. Let's see what I have as frequently asked questions about trading. So I had so many questions about what is my strategy. My strategy is always breakout of some highs and then retesting this. The fractal system is developed by Bill Williams. You can Google search it, and I'm thinking that this is the best system you can have, like for trading crypto, because nobody uses, but I have tested so many times, and like look at this. You have 1, 2, so you had a buy here, and then you had a higher low, so you had a one low, then a higher low, and then this a higher low, and then if you are a fractal trader, you have a buy stop here, and from there you want to set a target. So if you want to set a target, you go on the weekly, and currently your major resistance is 1840, and if you miss this, you want to buy at weekly support. So your weekly support is 1263, 12, yeah, somewhere here. So if this is if this order is filled, my next target will be 45%. With $20, that's $30 gain. $30 somewhere on that kind of. That's how I trade. I trade based on breakouts. I want confirmation and I don't want to chase like somewhere here. I want to see a clean breakout, and then when on the daily you want to see a higher low, and then on the higher low you want to put your stop there. So when you put a stop there, you know that if this is a pump and then a dump, you are stopped of your trade. And Binance has also orders, which is a great tool which you can use for trading. And if the trade is going against you, you got stopped out and you go on the next trade. You don't know how to lose, you don't know how to trade, and don't be a trader, and probably ask someone to trade for you. Probably find someone who is skillful to teach you how to trade. Because on the crypto markets you have like percentage gain and then percentage loss, like 14%, 9%. Let's see, icon was like clear. So as you can see, you have a down fractal, and currently if you want to, you bought this coin, you don't want to go below. You have like then you have like a drop of 40%, and quickly, as you can see, it's not doing anything specific. It's currently sitting below this high, below this current support. And yeah, so if you want to buy some kind of these shitcoins, you want to see like a break of this high. So when you see a break of this high, you buy, and then your next target probably is some distribution pattern like this. You have like a trap buyers who bought this and want to sell, and that's how I see stuff on the charts. Also, you want to use parabolic SAR, which is also a great indicator. MFI is also great, and stochastic. Stochastic is great because it doesn't, every indicator is isn't 100% foolproof. So as you can see, you have positive momentum building on ICX, but if you want to buy this ICX, you want to see this high, this support hold. So if this support is held, your current target is that high. On ICX, you can see some kind of you can see like this high was taken, then probably a higher low, no, not a higher low, a lower high from this high, and then the dump continue. So other questions that were asked: how much percentage I have gained from I have traded from October 2018 seriously, and my portfolio was $200. Now it's 1,600, so that's like 800% gain. And if you bought Bitcoin at 3,000, that's how much? 350% gain. So I'm beating the market, like double the market. And on portfolio management, I am doing some kind of I want to help you guys, because I'm not a financial advice, but I trade good, and I want to help people who hold And I'm seeing people that ask me where should I sell, where should I buy, and I trade only on spot with people who want to trade, because if I trade with leverage, it's high risk, and after that I don't want to trade that kind and lose their money. And my strategy is always using 1% on my portfolio. I have watched some guy who was telling people should learn first money management. So always first use money management. Don't trade because there is FOMO or something else. Always have a plan. So if you buy this, you want to set a stop loss that is not more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio. So if you bought this and you are like, okay, I will sell it because it hit my stop loss and it's a loss, you should take that as advice and continue on the next trade. You will make more money just by trading shit coins than, let's say, Doge, like this coin, Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, you have weekly buy, and if you want to trade this, I don't know how much people, so you have a overbought signal, but Dogecoin, I don't trade like this current if this is a clear buy, if you ask me. This high was tested, so you want to buy. 2.9 is probably your best bet if you want to buy Dogecoin. And for portfolio management, I only do only spot. I trade only 1% of your capital, and the risk is 1%. So if you have like $1,000 your portfolio, and you want to trade that and you don't know how to trade it, you will only give me your epic keys. I don't have any access to your account, and on the epic keys I only will trade for 5 people, because above 5 I couldn't manage anytime. I want to trade in or with my own account, and that's for how I trade. And I will trade on spot, and I will trade on the BTC and the odds pair only on Binance. I trade on Binance because there is volume and there is so many, how I say, there are so many trading pairs that you can make so much money. So on the Doge you have like you want to buy 29, you sell at 31, so you have, how much percentage is that? 13%. So you have like in one day 30% gains. And I will move to that kind of strategy because shorting and longing is very risky and requires so much more, let's say, time and dedication. You will beat the market, but it requires so much time, and it's not for everyone to short and long the market. Another thing I wanted to tell is that I will put the Discord link below, and you can join, and I will trade. I will, in 1 month I will give you like an introduction to how to trade the markets, and after that, if you're satisfied with the course, we can continue on more advanced things, and I will help you just to get started, how to get a Binance account, how to trade with precision, and basic chart patterns. So my requirements for that is to have 5 people who are very skillful, who are dedicated, who are not flaky when we say at Sunday at that time we'll have a stream when you can ask some questions. I require you to share my streams with you, and we will use my Discord, because there is a live chat. You can join the general and the trading chat, and after that you can enjoy, and if you are satisfied with my kind of trading, you can make let's say you can make a recommendation for me as a teacher. Why I'm doing this? Because my time is valuable, and I like trading, and want to have people to know. I want people to know how to trade, because I have lost money in this. I started as a crypto miner, and then I started trading because I saw that you can make so much money more than just holding and mining. And that's why I want to help. I want to help people who are rational, who are not emotional, and want to know how to trade. And after that, if you're satisfied, give me a recommendation on my website, and that's that. So that's for today. That's how I see the crypto markets. I'm bullish. I'm seeing higher highs on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is currently in a range that I see going at 20,000 or somewhere in that range. And I hope you like it, and leave a like, share, and subscribe, and that's that. Bye.